well, किसी ने सही कहा है, शादी हर शख्स के लिए एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत दिन कहलाया जाता है। वन ऑफ द मोस्ट फेवरेट और मे बी वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट पल आपकी लाइफ का, जहां आप अपने लव्ड वन के साथ अपने स्पेशल दिन को सेलिब्रेट करते हुए नजर आते हैं। और ऐसा लगता है कि इसी खास दिन को सेलिब्रेट करने वाले हैं और बहुत जल्द शादी करते हुए नजर आएंगे पांड्या स्टोर के एक लीडिंग कलाकार। जी हाँ दोस्तों, पांड्या स्टोर के कलाकार अक्षय खरोडिया, जो कि निभाते हैं देव का किरदार सीरियल में, उन्होंने अनफॉर्चुनेटली कोविड-19 पैंडेमिक के कारण अपनी शादी अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड दिव्या के साथ डिले कर दी थी लास्ट मंथ। इवन दो सब चीजें फाइनलाइज थी, सारी प्रिपरेशंस हो चुकी थी, गेस्ट लिस्ट तैयार हो चुकी थी, फिर भी अनफॉर्चुनेटली अक्षय और दिव्या ने अपनी शादी को कैंसिल कर दिया था। एंड नाउ इट सीम्स लाइक दैट फाइनली द डे इज ऑल सेट टू कम अक्रॉस। Yes, the young lad is excited to take the plunge and has shared now that finally he's gonna have an intimate wedding with just merely 10 people on board. He also opened about his wedding plans and also said कि वो कैसे अपने टीवी शो, अपनी रियल लाइफ वेडिंग और अपने पर्सनल लाइफ के बीच में जगल करते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं। इसी बात पे बात करते हुए अक्षय बोलते हैं, We tried our best to postpone the wedding to November 2021 this year, but due to a lot of many other things, we decided कि let's get married now. I feel it is a good time to get married now. The situation is better as compared to the last couple of months. We are gonna have only 10 people at our wedding, 5 from my side, 5 from her side. It will be an intimate home wedding. I felt that there is no point in waiting because if the third wave is worse than the first two, then we just want to keep postponing everything. We all know how people are behaving. I'm sure once the lockdown is completely lifted from everywhere, people will again go out roaming around freely without masks, not taking care of social distancing and proper sanitization. They will return to their normal habits as if nothing really happened out there and no one has died until now in this 1.5 year span. So while I felt that it's good time to get married now amidst the restrictions rather than just waiting, and obviously we can really throw a party whenever the situation is better, just like the normal self, like the end of the year. आपको बता देते हैं, अपने वेडिंग प्लान्स के बारे में बात करते हुए अक्षय रिवील करते और बोलते हैं, हमारी शादी 19 जून को हो रही है and I've taken a 7 days off. I was working till 15 June and left for my home on 16th. My hometown is in Kota, Rajasthan, and the barat will go to Dehradun where my girlfriend resides. We will leave on 18th and the wedding will be on 19th. We are going to have all the functions on that day itself. We will in fact even return on 19th itself. There are no pre-wedding functions as there are only 10 people involved in the marriage and it's just purely family. I don't want to risk anyone's life and the people who matter the most to us are a part of the wedding. We have not really invited anyone and it will be a simple affair this time. जब उनसे पूछा गया कि क्या पांड्या स्टोर की टीम में से कोई भी उनकी शादी को अटेंड करेगा, तो अक्षय खरोडिया कहते हैं, I have invited everyone from the star cast but I know no one from them will be able to make it to the wedding because they are a part of Pandya store. The current situation does not allow me to take anyone from them as only 10 people are a part of the wedding. I don't want anything to happen to anyone after my wedding. Well, it's a risky time. The wedding will happen as per Hindu tradition. Actually, both Divya and my wedding traditions are very different. She is a Pahadi and I'm a Rajput. So it's a very diverse situation. हमारे यहाँ बारात हाथी पर आती है, but यहाँ तो I don't even think that I will find a godi for the wedding. We will also have a court marriage after some time. अक्षय ने इसी बारे में बात करते हुए बताया कि कैसे वो अपने टीवी शो और अपनी शादी की तैयारी के बीच में जगल करते हुए नजर आते हैं। इसी बारे में बात करते हुए अक्षय बोलते हैं, As I was shooting in Bikaner for the show, I was managing everything over the phone. I was stuck there and was coordinating with all my stylist friends from Mumbai and deciding on the clothes. They were connecting with me through video calls and suggesting me outfits for the wedding. I got my wedding attire on June 13th. I have shopped everything online for the wedding. Initially, I was very nervous, but now I am very happy with the clothes. Actually, Divya has not really shared anything about her outfit with me yet, so it's gonna be complete surprise for me too. I'm wearing a sea green Lucknowi style sherwani for the wedding. Rest we have kept as a surprise as we both haven't shared anything with one another. But the good-looking actor also shares that it has always been his dream to get married with Divya, and he's over the moon as the days inching closer and closer day by day. इसी बारे में बात करते हुए अक्षय खरोडिया, who is quite much in love, says, I am one person who's always been excited about wedding. Usually we say girls dream of having a grand wedding or getting married, but in my case, everything is simply opposite. It was always my dream to get married to Divya and I'm excited that it is finally coming true. She's been with me through the thick and thin. When I was nothing, she was there. When I am something, she's there. Also, our parents were not really convinced about the marriage as she's a Brahmin and I'm a Rajput. So they had their reservations to it. There were a lot of conflicts. I was not settled and Divya's family, like every parent, wanted someone with a secure job. They would tell her that you are a doctor, he's an actor, what are you doing? But we kept our faith and love won in our case. She supported me through my tough times and I am super excited and I have been literally dancing every night with my Pandya store team even though they are equally happy for me. आपको बता देते हैं अक्षय has just got 7 days leave for the wedding and will be resuming shooting for Pandya store immediately after his wedding is done and he says कि मेरे अभी फिलहाल कोई हनीमून प्लान्स नहीं बनाए हैं। इसी बारे में बात करते हुए अक्षय बोलते हैं I am not getting holidays because I am a part of the daily soap. I feel you should have a break after marriage to spend time with your partner but work is also a priority. So I will resume work within 7 days. I will also have to manage everything in just these 7 days. Honeymoon plans will actually have to wait as I don't have leaves. I think if the situation is better next month, we might go for it. We don't want to get infected and have problems. She's a doctor herself and is right now posted in Uttarakhand. So I don't want to put things at risk is what he concluded. Well, हम ये कह सकते हैं कि अक्षय वाकई में अपनी शादी की खबर से काफी ज्यादा एक्साइटेड है, काफी ज्यादा खुश हैं। हम उनके इस नए जीवन के सफर के लिए सिर्फ और सिर्फ दिल से मुबारकबाद दे सकते हैं और कह सकते हैं कि ये उनका वाकई में बहुत ही सही फैसला था कि चीजों के सही होने का इंतजार ना करते हुए करंट मोमेंट में अपने सबसे फेवरेट सबसे खूबसूरत पल को वो अपने सबसे करीबी लोगों के साथ एंजॉय करके जीने के बारे में मन बना बैठे हैं। पर आवर हार्टिएस्ट कांग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर द न्यू कपल इन टाउन। आप हमारे साथ नीचे बने कमेंट सेक्शन में अक्षय करोडिया और उनकी वुड बी वाइफ दिव्या के लिए क्या दुआएं देना चाहेंगे जरूर शेयर करिएगा। Until then, stay tuned to Telly Chakkar for all the more updates for the Telly world. Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.